Okay, good morning class. So before we start our discussion for today, let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Okay. Dear God, thank you for looking after our school. Thank you that you love each and every one of us. Help us to learn, play, and share together so that the wonderful world you have made becomes more beautiful. Amen. So, let me check the attendance first, and I'll give 10 points to those students who are present for today. Okay. Anna, Bea, Jessica, Rex, and John. Okay, very good. All are present. So, before we start to discuss the topic, the fundamental operations on integers, let me discuss first the classroom rules. So first is respect when others are talking. Then second is be on time in my class. So it these two rules is very important for me. So our topic is the fundamental operations on integers. So who are familiar the operations on integers? Okay, Jessica, what is fundamental operations on integers? Okay, very good. So, fundamental are the foundation. Wait. Are the foundation. They are the building blocks for more advanced math. So, what are integers? So, integers are defined as the set of all positive and negative whole numbers. So, example of a set integers is -3, -2, -1. So, it is -1. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is the example of a set integers. Common naman sa atin yung 'di ba, yung fundamentals operation on integers. So hindi na bago sa atin yung topic for today, okay? So first is addition of integers. So addition of integers has two rules. So first, rule number 1 is to add numbers having like signs, add the numerical value, and attach the common sign of the sum. So means positive integer plus positive integer is the answer is positive integer. So negative integer plus negative integer is negative integer. Then positive integer plus negative integer is use the sign of the larger number, subtract. Okay? Then subtract. Then negative integer plus positive integer is use the sign of the larger number and subtract. So example number 1 is this. So example number 1 is 13 plus 8 is equals to 21. Okay? Because both are positive. So the answer is 21. Then second is 12 plus 4 is equals to 16. So the same with the number 1, both are positive sign. So the answer is 16. Then third is negative 13 plus negative 8 is equals to negative 21. Okay, did you remember here that negative plus negative is equals to negative integer? So the because negative, both are negative, so that the answer is also negative. So negative 21. Then negative 12 plus negative 4 is equals to negative 16. Okay? So next, did you already understand the rule number 1 of the addition of integers? Okay, very good. So rule number 2, to add numbers having unlike signs, subtract the given and copy the sign of the bigger given number. So 13 plus negative 8 is equals to 5. So since the the bigger number is positive, so that our answer is also positive sign. So pag unlike signs daw siya is you have subtract the both numbers, okay? Because kay hindi man sila magkatulad ng sign, so we subtract. Okay? So the next is 27 plus negative 4 is equals to 23, since the bigger number is positive, so that our answer is positive also. So we subtract because they are unlike signs. Okay? So 27 minus 4 is 23. So next is negative 13 plus 8 is equals to negative 5, since the bigger number is negative sign, so that we copy the signs of the bigger number. So negative 5. So since it is unlike signs, we subtract both. Okay? So next is 27 plus 4 is equals to 23. So why 23? Because the bigger number is negative negative pala ito, negative 23 ito. Okay, negative 23. Okay, since the bigger number is negative, so our answer is negative also. So since it is unlike signs, so we subtract the both numbers. Okay, so the answer is negative 23. So gets nyo na ba yung rule number 2 ng addition of integers? Okay, question. Okay, why 5 is why 5 is positive? Because I repeat that the positive the bigger number is positive, so that we copy to our answer. Since 13 plus negative 8, since it is unlike signs, so we subtract, because the rule number 2 is to add numbers having unlike signs is subtract the given and copy the sign of the bigger given number. Okay? Okay, gets. Okay, next is the subtraction of integers. So subtraction of integers, change the sign of subtrahend to be addition, then proceed to the rules of addition. So meaning, okay, example number 1 na lang tayo. Okay, negative 12 minus 6. So we so this is how we are going to answer this. Negative 12 plus negative 6 is equals to negative 18. So, sabi kasi dito is change the sign of subtrahend to the addition. So, ano ba yan? Palitan daw ng addition, then proceed to the rules of addition. So, we proceed the rules of addition, di ba? I already discussed the rules of addition. So, negative 12 plus negative 6 is equals to negative 18 since both negative sign is our answer is negative also. So, 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. So, negative 18. Then, second is negative 15 minus negative 9. So, change the sign, the subtraction into addition. So, negative 15 plus 9 is equals to negative 6 since the bigger number is 15 and it has a negative sign, so that our answer is negative. And 15 plus 9 is equal to 6. So, our answer is negative 6. Okay? Then, the next is the multiplication of integers. So, the product of two numbers with like signs is positive. So, 12 times 5 is equals to 60. Why 60? Because both numbers are positive. So that our answer is positive 60. Then 11 times 7 is equals to 77. The same with the number 1. Our answer is positive because both numbers are positive. Then third example is negative 13 times negative 2. Since they are both negative, so that our answer is positive. So, that is the rule of the multiplication of integers. So, negative is equals to, negative times negative is equals to positive. Negative times positive is equals to negative. Positive plus positive is equals to, positive times positive is equals to positive. Okay? So, the fourth example is negative 9 times negative 5. Since they are both negatives, this magkatulad sila ng signs. So, our answer is a positive. Okay? So, 45. Meron bang mga katanungan sa multiplication of integers? Again, the signs of positive times positive is equals to positive. So, negative times negative is equals to also positive. Then, negative times positive is equals to negative. Then, negative times positive is equals to negative. Okay, unlike signs is negative, then like signs is positive. Okay, yun lang yung tandaan nyo sa multiplication of integers. That ito, like signs is positive and the unlike signs is negative. Okay, next is the product of two numbers with unlike signs is negative. It is already discussed. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. The unlike signs is negative. So, example number 1 is 8 times negative 4 is equals to negative 32. So, 8 times 4 is equals to 32. Then, both are unlike signs man sila. So, negative 32. Then, second is 3 times negative 5 is equals to negative 15. Since it is unlike signs, so our sign is negative. So, 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Negative 15. Okay. Next is the division of integers. So, the quotient of two numbers with like signs is positive. So, example number 1 is 36 divided 6 is equals to 6. So, positive our because it says that like signs is positive. Then 32 divide 4 is equals to 8. Okay? Then third is negative 25 divide negative 3 is equals to 8. Since they are both negative, has a like sign, so that our answer is positive. Then next is negative 10 divide negative 5 is equals to 2. Okay? Positive 2 because they are both has the same or alike signs, so that we answer this as positive. Okay, so let we answer first the assessment. Who can answer the first problem? Okay, so negative 5 plus negative 4 is equals to, who wants to answer? Okay, Anna, what is the answer? Okay. Okay, negative 9. Then second is, very good, negative 3 plus positive 1. Okay. Who wants to answer this second problem? Okay, Rex. Okay, very good. The answer is negative 2. Okay. Then the next is negative 2 times negative 7. Okay, since it is the same sign or like sign, our answer is also a positive because they are like signs. That is the rule of the multiplication on integers. Okay, so 2 times 7 is equals to 14, so positive 14. Okay, so next is positive 3 times negative 1. So since this is unlike signs, so the rule of the multiplication of integers is if the both are unlike signs are, and the answer is negative. So since this is a negative, so our answer is negative also. Since it is unlike signs, so our answer is negative. So 3 times negative 1 is equals to negative 3. Okay, since you are already understand the topic, so let's do an activity. Okay, so do it in a one half sheet of paper. Okay, I'll give you 30 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, and then 2 points each. Okay, so that we have 40 points kasi 20 points yung nandiyan. Okay, okay, so 5 4 3 2 1. So pass your answer sheets. Okay, before we proceed our assignment, so what is the answer of number 20? Sagutan muna natin yung number 20. So 20, 2 times 5, since both are positive, so who can answer the number 20? Okay, Bea. Okay, very good. So positive 2 times positive 5, since they are both positive, our answer is positive. So 2 times 8 is equals to 16. So, our answer is positive 16. Okay. So, let's proceed our assignment. So, pass 8 tomorrow. Write it on a 1/2 sheet of paper. Search about the Cartesian plane. So, Cartesian plane is our next topic for tomorrow's topic. Okay? So, ano na lang to, 20 points. Who pass your assignment tomorrow, and I'll give you 20 points, okay? So, we're done. So, hope you learned something new on our topic for today, okay?